Baking soda shampoo. It will make your hair grow faster than ever. Baking soda offers plenty of uses and healing properties. Besides being used for cleaning, cooking, and treating different medical conditions, this versatile ingredient can be used for beauty purpose as well. Baking soda will enhance the quality of your hair and remove the residue of shampoo and conditioners, giving your hair a brand new shine. Forget about the regular shampoo, and use this natural shampoo instead. You will be amazed by the results. If you prefer DIY remedies, wanting to avoid the side effects of the commercial products full of chemicals, we have an incredible recipe for natural baking soda shampoo that will make your hair grow faster than ever. In the beginning, you may find it unusual to use this shampoo since it is not like the other shampoos, and it does not make foam. However, over time you will get used to it. The results that you will obtain from this shampoo will definitely change your opinion about the commercial hair products and their use. Directions: mix baking soda and water in a ratio 1:3. The quantity depends on the length of your hair, which means that if you have a long hair, you should mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda with 9 tablespoons of water. Apply this on dry or wet hair, all the way from the roots to the hair ends. Let it stand for 1 to 3 minutes. Wash it off with warm water. Then, use apple cider vinegar to rinse your hair once more. Mix baking soda and water in a ratio 1:4. To improve the smell, add some essential oil. Make sure to tilt your hair backward. In this way, you will prevent ACV from getting into your eyes. Tilt your head back and wash off once again. If you want, prepare the apple cider vinegar in advance and store it in a bottle. After the first treatment, you will notice visible improvements, and over time, your hair will grow faster. Finally, you will have shiny, healthy, and strong hair.